Hey guys, I'm back with another nail video, and I partnered with my friends over at Sally Hansen. Get excited because July 15th and 16th is Amazon Prime Day. Celebrate Amazon Prime Day by shopping Sally Hansen's Miracle Gel polishes and more. And I have a spoiler for you guys, the Miracle Gel polishes will be discounted up to 30% off, and they're being sold in 2-packs. So for my super cute salon-worthy manicure, step 1 is to pick a color. I am totally obsessed with the Miracle Gel 2-step system. Some of my favorite benefits are that it is so easy to apply and you do not need a UV lamp. But of course, my favorite thing is that it is like a gel manicure, but you can totally remove it with regular nail polish remover, so it's super easy and super casual. So getting a salon-worthy gel manicure at home is easy as can be. It only takes 2 steps, and the first step is to choose your color and then just paint that on your nails. And by the way, this is like the ultimate chip-resistant nail polish. So I just like to start all the way down at my nail bed and then bring it all the way up and make sure I get the very tip of my nails as well. BTW, I am using Sally Hansen's Miracle Gel polish in Unexpected. Super clever and cute. Just apply 2 coats and go and let your nails dry. Once dried, we can go ahead and move on to step 2, and that is to top off with top coat activators for high shine or matte finish. For real, I could not be more excited than I am because I love matte nails. And Sally Hansen's Miracle Gel Matte Top Coat is brand new and it's totally amazing. And you guys can see right here the difference between the matte top coat and then the shiny top coat. And I thought it would be really fun to do cute little designs using Sally Hansen's Miracle Gel top coats. So alternating between the Miracle Gel Matte and then the Miracle Gel Shiny, I created these cute little polka dots. I think it turned out real cute, and it is so much fun to now experiment with different finishes for your nails. So the last thing I like to do is give my cuticles a little TLC. To do that, I like to use Sally Hansen's Vitamin E Nail and Cuticle Oil. The purpose of this oil is to soften cuticles, and it cares for dry, brittle nails, and it is so moisturizing. It is a total must-have. This is super easy to use. All you want to do is brush this along your cuticles and then you just massage it in. You can use this over nail polish or you could use it on bare nails. Just make sure you wash it off before you paint your nails. It's super relaxing and I love to do this every night before I go to bed. So that is my completed mani. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I am going to have the links to purchase the products used today in the description box down below. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!
We were driving on the freeway, our minds drifting another state, floating above all the planes.